वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने मुज़फ़्फ़राबाद में कश्मीर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ न्यूक्लियर मेडिसिन, ऑन्कोलॉजी एंड रेडियोलॉजी का इफ्तिताह कर दिया। बोले, दुखी इंसानियत की खिदमत से बढ़कर कुछ नहीं। मैं खुद भी कैंसर जैसे मौसी मरज़ का शिकार हुआ। अंदाज़ा है कि वसाइल से महरूम अफराद के लिए कैंसर का इलाज कितना मुश्किल है।
मज़ीद कहा कि शानदार इदारे का इफ्तिताह मेरे लिए एजाज़ की बात है।
Really a great honor to be here to inaugurate this wonderful facility established for suffering humanity, and they are in thousands. I think there cannot be a better profession and a more important noble cause to serve those sons of the soil. Gentlemen, I myself, I am a cancer survivor. I could afford this very expensive treatment at that point in time. This is now more than 20 years ago. Imagine the plight of the common man in this country. There cannot be a bigger service to suffering humanity than treating those patients who are at the edge of their life because of this threatening disease. Therefore, I'd like to comment your great efforts and like to encourage you to do more. Take faster steps and control and arrest this disease as best as possible through your innovative, outstanding efforts.